behind seemingly small cracks lies a significant impact on your home. Today, we explore the often overlooked issue of air leaks. These tiny gaps around windows and doors silently waste energy. They impact your comfort and inflate your utility bills. Many homeowners are unaware of this constant energy drain. We will uncover the hidden costs of these simple issues. Discover how quick DIY fixes can make a huge difference. Prepare to transform your home's efficiency and comfort. Air leaks are invisible thieves, constantly stealing your comfort. They allow heated or cooled air to escape unchecked. Think of them as small holes in a leaky bucket. The U.S. Department of Energy highlights this widespread problem. They report significant energy loss through these gaps. This translates directly to higher home heating and cooling costs. Even small cracks contribute to substantial energy waste. Unsealed gaps can account for 15–25% of heat loss. Imagine a constant draft chilling your living room. This forces your HVAC system to work much harder. Increased operation means more wear and tear on units. Your monthly energy bill sees a noticeable, unwelcome spike. For an average homeowner, this can be hundreds yearly.
Energy Star estimates potential savings of up to 15%.
That's a substantial financial impact from simple air leaks. Fortunately, fixing these issues is incredibly straightforward. Weatherstripping forms a tight seal around doors and windows. Caulk fills cracks and gaps in stationary joints effectively. These materials are inexpensive and widely available at stores. A few basic tools are all you truly need for installation. You can complete most air sealing projects within an hour. The immediate benefits to your home comfort are undeniable. This is a truly impactful DIY project for any homeowner. Consider Sarah, a homeowner who sealed her drafty windows. She noticed an immediate drop in her winter heating bills. Her home felt significantly warmer without adjusting the thermostat. John also sealed gaps around his attic access panel. His AC unit ran less frequently, saving him cooling costs. These small actions lead to tangible, measurable financial gains. Sealing air leaks offers excellent return on your small investment. The impact of sealing air leaks is truly profound. You save money, conserve energy, and boost home comfort. This simple DIY task empowers you as a homeowner. It reduces your carbon footprint for a greener future. Embrace these quick fixes for lasting positive change. Your future self and your wallet will certainly thank you. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.